So a lot of people have this device right now. These are my AirPods Pro. And you notice that I have black tips on here. That's because today we're going to actually be talking about these foam tips that I just got in from the company Foam Masters. They're going to help cushion and make your AirPod Pro experience a lot easier. So let's check these out. So if you paid attention to any of my videos in the past few weeks, I've been rocking these black tips on my AirPods Pro. And I'm going to show you, they fit down in there, still no problem. This case is by Subcase. These are Battle Pods. I should have a review up for this pretty soon, if not already. So go by and check that out. But nice case that's going to actually protect your AirPods. Now, notice, put them in, still closes, no problem. So you still get the same fit. They don't hinder the actual closing of the case. Then let's look at these. Now, these are the original tips that came with my AirPods Pro. Smallest tips, and you still do your tip fit and all that stuff. But the Foam Masters brand has actually given us 3 separate size tips in here. Now these are like memory foam for your ears, and basically what happens is you put this together. So what you do is you take 2 of these, which I'm going to take the largest ones since I have the smallest ones on my AirPods. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this end right here, the smaller end, and you're going to basically just fold that memory foam and pull it down back over it. And I pulled it too far. And there we go. So once you get it around there, then you just kind of mold it to the actual little gray piece. But I'll take this one out, and I already have the tip on there, but it's just gonna pop off. And once that pops off, then you can replace it. And then you just take the little ear tip piece and you kind of fit it. Now this is the bigger one. It's never going to go in my ear. When you get done with it, pop it off. So I'm going to go back to the smaller one. And I'm going to snap it on. And once you get it snapped on, basically just fit this, mold this to your ear canal shape. And it's steady on there. It's not going to pop off. Now, what I want to do is actually show you how this is going to look in my ear. So let me find all my pieces and put all this stuff back up. So it's still a nice clean fit in my ear. It feels good. It's nice and cushiony. There are no issues with this being in my ear. It's not too big, not too bulky. Everything feels good, and you still get the noise cancellation. You can still do your ear fit test. It'll still work with this. I give this a big thumbs up. There's no problem with these foam tips. So these tips actually come in white as well. The white one actually has a little black band already in it, and it makes it a little bit easier to slip it around. And then it's, once you get it on there, it's pretty much the same process. You're just gonna put that smaller end in there, and once you got it, you're gonna fit it to your ear. So it actually comes in white as well, and you're gonna still get the same amount of tips in the white packaging. So there we have it, guys. 2 sets of great foam tips. Is going to make your ear a lot more comfortable. It's going to make your AirPods fit in there a lot easier when you're using them. You got the white set and you got the black set. I opted for the black set just because it makes the AirPods stand out a little bit more and look a little bit different. But that's pretty much it. So I'm going to be sure and drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. If you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, stay tuned because I will be giving some of these away. So follow me on those. I'll leave all that stuff below in the description so you can check me out. I'll also drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. But remember, I will be giving away a few pair of these over there on my social media sites. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.